Okay, so hold on a second. Okay, so let's do episode 2 of let's do episode 2 of the thing we're calling Workcation. Okay, so Workcation is this Rails app we're putting together, and it's gonna be like Airbnb, but more with a work-related, remote work-related kind of theme. So, in the previous episode, here's what you missed. We're to this Jumpstart Rails app template. Now, the reason why we're using this, not just going straight Rails, is that this already has Rails 7 and a whole bunch of other goodies involved, including already having a user, which you need in every app anyway, and notifications and a couple other goodies in here too. So we can go ahead and use that, and we don't have to start totally from scratch, and it's going to save a ton of time. Okay, so forward here. A couple years ago, Adam here, he came out with Tailwind CSS, and in order to demo it, he showed this. He showed how you could create an app with it, and that's kind of what we're running with today. So we're going to apply Rails to it instead of applying Vue. Right here is a Vue template. I mean, this is a Vue-based app. Okay, so we're going to take an app that lists. We're going to create an app that lists how to search for and find different places to live. Listings for, how much you want to pay for some place for a week. Nice. Show you how this all goes. Okay, so next up. So that's Grand Tour. So let's go ahead and create some code. Go to the notes here. And first thing we want to do is we want to create some locations. Here, generate this present working directory here. And so I've already I pre-cooked this food network. And so we're going to generate a Rails model with the location, name location, and it's going to have a name, a latitude, a longitude, a promotional description of the text. Just like we have name up here, Los Angeles, and then we have live like the stars in luxurious Southern California estates. And okay, so put that model in there first, because this is going to be supporting the listing of all these different remote workplaces. Rails generates a model. Go. We're going to use test unit on this for if we get into testing. Instead of RSpec this time around. RSpec another. Okay, so created a migration here. So we better do Rails DB migrate, or rake if you're old style. Okay, and then let's just see here. works. Go to locations, see anything, because we just created the model. Okay, so now we're going to make a scaffold for listings. I know people don't like scaffolds, but it's pretty handy to be really frowned upon. Make your views and your controllers and your models all separate. Faster. Okay, and get a lot of a standardized controller for free. Okay, so we're going to generate a scaffold of listing, and it's going to have a title, how many beds, how many baths, like here. Plus is an attribute we'll have to define in the future here. And a rating, 1 through 5 in the rating, so that's going to be integer. And then price, which will be this. Use plain dollars. We're not going to get down pennies here. And rental period is week, month, day. Have those in there. And then we'll use a select. And a main image caption, because we're going to have to somehow put a credit in these. I'm just going to make a note of who took the photo. Okay, and this is going to belong to location here. Okay, let's run it. That ran. Okay. Listings. Oh, we got to run migration, so we'll run it this way this time. And we go listings. Of course, it's under a table. All right. So, oh, and by the way, we got Bootstrap on this so far. Probably want to change it over to using Tailwind in the next episode. Okay. So just basically sketching out the app today. So let's see. So add new listing, title. Okay. Oh, do that. Up here. Add location, so we have location add. Let's see, location. Location equals location. I'll do this location.new. There we go. Create. Name, I think is what we have as an attribute of Los Angeles. Why not? And description. Description. Sunny place. L. Los Angeles, no latitude, no longitude. Right now. Okay, so we'll go over here to title, and we'll just borrow a modern home, and it's got 3 beds, 2 baths, plus, yeah, true. We don't have rating. We'll give it a 3-star. Price 19. Week. Rental period is a week. Said. From Splash. Here. Listing. We're gonna say location IDs. Close again. ID 1. Works. Hey, look at that. We got a location right there. Okay. So let's see. Oh, come back to that. Pretty that up. Okay. So the next thing we have to do, since we already have, is thing migration. Are we showing amenities here on this yet? No, we're not. We're gonna skip amenities. Every place has amenities. We have. Oh wait. Oh no, we got amenities. Look at the filters. Here we have property types and we have amenities. Go. Go. We're not going to really have that as a main page, so we're going to go ahead and just create a model for that. Rails generate model of amenity. Model amenity. That doesn't sound right, does it? Quick sheet over here. Amenity, we'll just call it name. And it belongs to a listing. No. Not right. Amenity. Yeah, okay. Because we knew list. It doesn't belong to anything. It has name. I'll show you why in a second. And name. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create, we're going to have a has many through table here. So it means we're going to do let's do the first. Should happen this way. Okay, Rails generate model listing amenity, and then this will be a join table between amenity and a listing. This way, because you're going to have a listing belonging to more than one the listing having more than one listing having an amenity, and have an amenity belonging to more than one listing. So you have that join table in the middle. Okay, so Rails join listing amenity. So we're going to call it amenity belongs to the amenity, and it belongs to the listing. Okay, and we got to migrate. There we go. Okay, and then we go over here. We got to clean up these models now. Catch up. So listing should be fine. Belongs to location, but you need to make sure location has many listing. Yep. Okay. Let's just test that. L dot listings. What's up there? L okay. So listing dot location, right? Okay. Right. Oh, gotta reload every once in a while. Okay. T listings. Still doesn't give me anything. What's up here? There we go. Just got to redefine it. Okay. That works. Okay. All right. So now back to creating stuff. Listing amenity. Okay. Listing. Okay. So we got to create a property kind, right? Because we're here. Yeah. Property type. We're going to call it kind. We don't have any kind of conflict. House, apartment, loft, townhouse. So those are going to, that's just data. Let's go ahead and try this out. So we have property kind, we have a name, and for the fun of it, I put description in there. For internal. Yeah, I'm probably not going to need it. Okay, so there's that. do. All right, so now we gotta connect the property kind with the listing. So let's do another model. So we're gonna generate a model with called listing property kind. Sounds better that way. And then we're gonna have the listing, and this is gonna belong to listing, and it's gonna belong. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was a good catch. Okay. All right. See if we can knit this together here. Do that. Okay, and let's do two. Don't forget to migrate. Okay, and so the next thing, the property kind. As many call that. I do that. Uninitialized content. Models we got here. Way. A listing property kind. Oh, I am. Reload. There we go. Okay, so listing property kind is fine. And then we go to property kind. Okay. As many listings through kind of like AI. Okay. Yeah, we're using tab 9 today. Okay. So, and same but different over at listings. has one though. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's right. No, I'm not doing that right. Um, Check on the syntax of that. Property kind. Yeah, let's check on the syntax of that. Okay, has one through. Just look it up over here. Pull it over. Let's just do have as many. I'll give you the same thing. Oh, you know that. Just realized that it's not going to be. The property guide is going to have more than one listing. That has to get fixed. One thing at a time here. It belongs. That's belongs to. Belongs to. Belongs to. Give me anything better. This is what we're looking for. Okay. Okay, so go back here, make sure I got the right thing. Property kind. Things. Comma goes there. Through goes there. Yeah, that's right. property kind. So let's see what happens if 9 can help. Yeah, through. Property kind. It does help me. That's cool. And then we gotta get rid of this has many subscribers. Okay. So we have a listing, we have a location. Let's get a property type. We're gonna just call it a house. Okay. And the property kind. Okay. Create. Still don't have the drop down thing figured out yet. Create. Hey, it's tab. Okay. The name is, we're just gonna call this a house. Keep it all over. House and description. More than 1,500 feet. 1,550 square feet. All right. Okay. PK is equal to property line dot last. Yep. PK, and we should get house. Yep. So let's see. Listing. Dot PK should give us nothing, right? Yep, undefined. So reload this. And then I do property kind. Dot property kind equals PK. No. See what we got. Okay, say W. Got all these say. Yep, okay. See, let's go. Let's just say listing equal to listing last. I'm getting the hang of this yet. There we go. Last. Getting it yet. Okay, LISD, just check. Listing dot property kind equal to dot last, right? Probably should give it something. Okay, listing dot save. Okay, so say listing dot property kind. The house, and if we go pk is equal to last pk dot listings. Hey, we got a winner there. All right, so that's set up. Okay, so we got those set up. I think that's good for this session. So we got let's just look down this real quick here. All right, so we have rudimentary ability to list a property, and don't quite have search down, and the attributes of listing are bedroom and bathroom. It's got a price range, linked property types. Price range in there? Yeah, it's got a price in there, and it has different amenities that we'll see in the next session. And if we look down here, just going through here, we got a location for it to be, and it links in it. And it's got a star rating, it's got a price. We'll work on reuse at another time here. Yeah, that looks like a winner. Okay. Well, I'll see you all later. It's been fun. Let's do this again real soon. Maybe tomorrow. I'll check with you later. Bye.